Myntri katanat Food and Civil Supply UGM's ke sangma hakasi palay ula Kubur bakadan ka Duna Marbam hak Jylla hadin babaro kinong shnong gila khore lut banthit iki Marbam mariapan banaban khangdam ya ka Jylla habai gram ikla pathai Kubur Myntri ulai thu baka sarkar menta kala thmu banthit chwa hadu shila khanyo 1000 quintal ukhaw barban pinpoi chiki yogi hat ki badan hak Jylla.
In the course of the video conferencing that I undertook yesterday with all the DCs, one major problem which has come to light is the fact that most of the districts are facing shortage in the open market, and this shortage is of essential food grains, in particular rice, which is there is a shortage undoubtedly in the open market in most of the districts, and this has been because we all know there was people resorted to panic buying after the announcement of the lockdown, and this has created this shortage in the open market of essential food items, especially of rice. Now, to stabilize this this shortage which was caused in the open market, we had authorized our respective deputy commissioners to facilitate the procurement of essential food items, especially rice and maybe mustard oil and other items which were in short supply from other states like Assam. And the deputy commissioners were told that they could issue authorization passes, curfew passes, permits for the vehicles, so that these retailers in the from the open market could go and procure their food grains from Assam, Guwahati, or whichever place it may be. And this helped in addressing the shortage to a large extent. However, today we as a government, we understand the fact that a lot more needs to be done to address whatever shortage is there in the market. And which is why today Honorable Chief Minister has accorded a sanction of rupees 26 crores 38 lakhs 75,500 for the procurement of 1,17,278 quintals of rice from the scheme which is called the Open Market Sale Scheme. And this sales scheme we would have to lift from the FCI godowns, and FCI is allowing us to lift this amount of quintals against payment, and this will be basically utilized for 2 months and will be made available to the deputy commissioner, to the deputy commissioners of each respective district, and will then be further on made available to the open market. We are presently coordinating with the Food Corporation of India, and we are communicating with them as to where we will be lifting this food grain from. And very soon we will be, once we have lifted 1,17,000 plus quintals of rice from FCI under the open market sales scheme, we expect that we will be able to address the immediate shortage of rice that is presently there in the market right now.
Nalor kataw loong ru bakito ki bajiyo ayo khawling ba ka NFSA kinyo tamsan kilo marway na kabantalay panay.
In the course of the video conferencing also, we have also informed the DCs about 2 other schemes which were announced recently by the Government of India. One is the Myntri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, under which each NFSA beneficiary would be getting an additional 5 kgs of rice per beneficiary, that is for free for 3 months, basically for the month of April, May and June. So this is in addition to whatever they are already getting. And NFSA beneficiaries are basically the PHH and the AAY beneficiaries, as we all know. So this would be under the Myntri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana.
Kaway par kabaw Myntri uyatho kalong halor ka jing pankreja ka sarkar na kabanta ban pinbiang wat ikitendong le air shed jing shed ru.
The other scheme which was informed to the Deputy Commissioners is the Myntri Jylla Yojana, under which in any case Government of India is providing for LPG cylinders, and under this specific announcement made by the Honorable Prime Minister, each beneficiary would get one gas cylinder free of cost for 3 months starting from April 2020, that is from this month. So each month they'll be getting one cylinder each for the next 3 months. I would like to also inform the citizens of our state that the price monitoring cell in each and every district is also working to ensure that unscrupulous people, traders who may try to take advantage of the situation here by trying to hoard or by trying to charge excessively, these are checked, and our supply inspectors, our officers at the district level are making surprise raids, and they are checking whether such kind of unfair practices are taking place. And I would like to reiterate here that we will be taking very stern action against any perpetrator who is involved in such actions under Section 7 of the Essential Commodities Act 1955 and Section 3 of the Prevention of Black Marketing and Maintenance of Supplies and Essential Commodities Act 1980. So I would like to be very clear that we will not spare anyone who is involved in such kind of unscrupulous practices.
Haka jing jurup ke RiKhasi channel alap shisha bakadan ka jing duna khau khamtam shiki jaka nong kendong haka jia kran ber we rang ba bayarap lang hadukan jing kurim jong u ulai thu bu khau duna shisha haka dukan haken shi ga bade ka shnong ba pendap khau ye bon ki shnong haka than mau that raishan ki ba bon ki shnong kimla ban pendap khau ki paj ba ki badan shiki nong kendong ki shushania be hau khau roshan khamtam ki paj ba ki badung Hindreu khau roshan ru ude ubayo tang kendian tang bau kham duna kador haka jo ka por la ban kador ru ba ambaro ki yo roshan hindre ki bayo ki dei tang ki badan kerteng hakalis bala menjor da katana sa marbam
khamtam ngi ginong kendong sini ka ba kham kalong gidi gitu ki ba syua bala te nalor kataru ngi I ka jing bana kalian ke sarkar kumbangi ki ba syong dukan abang ngilet ban wat khau nang tina sor shelong Tengah hap sim kupon ngilak ban yo tang kumba art pocket ne light pocket ne sun pocket. Ban mana kan ni bang alek le gi bagi don ki stok ki dang don katu kat ne tang ba hap yang lain tab de kalau long sim stom ki no kendong kin mung lak ban yo ya kita ki khau ki mar ki mata ladang ki mana kendong ba de kit na duk na sor ata katau isu don kam lak ban ong no bal ka government ka penbet bahkan suka nak kita halak kisnong kan kamsup kan kamerap bagi baduk di barang liru bad lese kan kisnong kan sepenbet hangdo ban ai tak kita kita badon kam kata kalong ka bade bad kumjuru hang gilayo jungtip kadang STO mairang ru la batha hi yangi ki basong dukan balada yo lunu khana nunu bangi thetru ihapan pentip bayo STO tanang lian yo STO pada isu tangi ki bahap apa jong ka area jong subdivision Mairang kali kata ka we ka benta ka ba i yo jingtip de haduk mata pada ka bang isngu bah kalong dang i wat atau khau kalong haduk kata-kata bat mana kan leng larung kudam jong we na ki dukan ba he ba sar ilap badan stang khau persit tu wang sim no gini te ka do jong i long khat sau tam si poket te ka along ka pat nga pa de ngong ba yo se ki long ki ka than jong i ki patre ban nu khau de ngumnut ban sim kena ta kadang i kerpat ko nu ka sarkar kan penbiang no kham kloy gini nang ba kanum long ka jing keruk bam kan ka dong ba ka than ke jong i kham tam tab ang no ki ba kham ka dong le ka sim chitom hadu kata-kata den da ka sarkar ka le shisai kan de ban penbiang kham kloy ka mut kan don ka jing suk ba kanum don ka jing ki plumar jong kinong kendong kanum don kumbang ikwa ba Gede bandon yang kata ka social distancing ni dari jisa ka limba jong kata ka bantah hi ladang la penbiang ka jing bam hi trai upai bar unum ki plumar kunde kuntai tilada ka sarkar kan mulak banle kan hak por ka biang tilada la yap thangan te hangta kan sadon ka jing ki
kamun na ka sarkar hadum ta ka pat pha khaw phia bik thini ma phiki
hable tip hi mangi ka jing tip jonga te hadum ta hable tip hi mangi badon ka lat kalanti ba ya dei ha asam kumta kamut ula ban yo tu bam dan kaling bat asam le minum yo dan alor kata mental ling atip ke gisngi bawa asam ru tu coronavirus ula sedang ban kiu hadu katu te along ke jingma ba da kan ila kawan ra ke jingma kamut dak asam kan lisyu kelat keleti bayap tangan dengi kini ke Jylla sini thanot isi tumpang ngitip hi ba ka labat ong no ka asam hi ke dei ke yung setja ye kini ki than jo kan kanot is ke jongi ladakin supply nang thi kamut ngi ne ki besong ha kamra sokai dengan siap tangan hagwe ke sini